Hello everyone, I'm Armen. Thanks for joining me in my craft room today. If you are new here, welcome. I post card making tutorials and project inspiration videos. You can also find me on Instagram at ArmensCraftRoom, where I post card inspiration and the occasional bullet journal inspiration. I hope you enjoy today's crafting session.
This video goes with the Stashbusters 2024 paper crafting Instagram hop hosted by myself at ArmensCraftRoom, at ahve Designs, at B. Keeley Crafts, at Hillary Greek, at Kelly Santee Designs, and at Touch of Magic. Our Stashbusters group strives to post 3 to 6 creative paper projects every other Tuesday throughout the year of 2024. Our goal is to use the items and supplies we already own to create between 81 to 162 projects this year. Today's theme is layered cards using hard-to-use paper pads. Today, I'm creating cards using the Echo Park Day in the Life number 2 6-inch by 6-inch paper pad and chipboard accents. I received these in the summertime in my mystery box from Echo Park. I'm also using the Spellbinders Wonderful Things card making kit and Sending Sentiment stamp set, both part of the November 2023 club. And I'm also combining this with an assortment of Minte Papers cut-aparts, which I received as a free sample with purchase, and some assorted cardstocks and ink from Stampin' Up. I was quite excited to see that the November club kit from Spellbinders went really well with the Day in the Life number 2 products from Echo Park, because the Day in the Life number 2 paper pad, if you haven't seen both sides, one side is clearly designed for planners or bullet journals, and the other side is kind of a semi-vintagey, slightly subtle paper color, which is pretty floral for the most part, with a few graphic designs in there. Basically, the colors were pretty, but it wasn't really my style, so I wasn't sure what to do with it, and the chipboard accents were pretty limited. So when the Wonderful Things card making kit came out and coordinated extremely well with these products, I was really excited, because Spellbinders always gives tons and tons of ephemera with their packs, so I knew I would be able to use the ephemera to complete both the card making kit and this 6x6 paper pad from Echo Park. Now, this is only the first 6 cards. I will be making many more cards with these products, and I'll be posting them on Instagram and very likely YouTube as well. Thank you so much for joining me today in this crafting endeavor. I hope to see you again in my craft room soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave notifications on so you can be notified when the next video comes out.